In this video, I'll show you how to embed a calendar in Notion. First, open Notion and sign into your account. Then open the page where you want to add your calendar. Next, click anywhere on the page and type /embed, then select the embed option from the menu. Now, copy the shareable link for the calendar you want to embed, such as a public Google Calendar or another supported online calendar. Paste the link into the embed link field and click embed. After that, resize and reposition the embedded calendar so it fits your page layout. If the calendar supports interactive features, you can view and interact with it directly inside Notion. Finally, if you update the original calendar, the embedded version in Notion will reflect those changes automatically, as long as the shared link remains active. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to embed a calendar in Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.